Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this case of Hot Wheels. It's from the series Boulevard, the new Boulevard series. And I already reviewed case A and this is case B. Just received them yesterday and very happy to have them. 10 pieces, 2 of each. So let's have a look inside. Let's open this up. Open the case up and have a look inside. So there it is. So it's case B. And there you have the cars, all of them, 2 of each, and some very nice ones in this case again. Let's have a look. At the first one, and that's a 2018 COPO Camaro SS, and this is number 9 of the series. Metal base, metal body with real riders, of course. There you have the card art. And let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's the number. Some more info, and there are the cars, some really nice ones in this case. There you can see the logo of the Boulevard series, and this is the first one. It's a nice one. Hot Wheels logo on the side, and it's a metallic orange with the parachute on the back of the car for drag racing, with the big tires from Hoosier. There you can see the fat tires in the back, metal base of course, and the thinner tires up front. Nice tires, like the logo. There's the top of the car. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. And that's a Nissan Silvia S15. And there's the card art. And the back of the card is the same. This is number 7 in the series. And 2 color wheels, blue in the back and red up front. There you have the rear of the car. It's a nice drift car. There you have the front. And the top. Very colorful. Let's have a look at the base. Real riders. Black base. So, very nice. Let's have a look at the next one. Also one of my favorites, the custom 62 Chevy pickup with the surfboard. And there's the art. And there are a lot of warnings because of the loose surfboard for little children. This is number 8 of the series. There's the front. I do have quite some versions of this one, trying to get the most of them. There's the back and the top of the car. And the base. Nice version. Okay, next one. That one we already reviewed. There's another one, 2 of each. And this is a very sought after car, the Koenigsegg Agera R. It's number 10. Metal body, metal base, real riders of course. Very nice white version. This is the second release they have done from this car, Hot Wheels. The first version was a red one in the series Need for Speed, in the Retro Entertainment series. And I do have 2 of them, and they are very valuable at this time. I bought them when they were still very cheap. And I have them both packaged. But I'm happy with this new release. Was about time. Let's have a look at the base. And there's the card art. This will not be a peg warmer. Okay, next one. Well, 2 of these, and we've seen that one already. And the last one of the case, that's the Porsche 356 Outlaw in a nice red, yellow version. Nice rims, plain yellow. There is the back of the car with the 2 exhausts. And the front of the car. And this is number 6. Let's have a look at the art. Emery Motorsports. So that's my review. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.